Good afternoon mga kasuloys. We're live here at Fuente Osmeña Circle where the Subuanong Pakigbisog Kontra Corruption March has already begun. And as you can see behind me, the park is already filled with dozens of individuals who joined the march from Basilica Menore del Santo Niño de Cebu to Fuente Osmeña Circle today, Sunday, November 30. The anti-corruption march was led by no less than Cebu Archbishop Alberto Apit-Uy, who has been consistent in calling out corruption in all forms in the past. According to authorities from the Cebu City government, at least 10,000 people have joined the series of rallies throughout the day from Fuente Osmeña, Colon Street, and at the Basilica Menore del Santo Niño. This has been Morix Ataram for CDN Digital.